Short-term health insurance plans are meant to be used as temporary insurance coverage gaps. Many people are turning to short-term insurance because they think that it is less expensive than other health insurance plans. Little did they know, short-term coverage has many restrictions and exclusions. Like they might have not covered the essentials benefits. Or they have the restrictive maximum limits. Aside from that, they also have high copays and deductibles or do not cover pre-existing conditions. Even though they have much difference between the other health plans. It is best to understand short-term plans and their components before deciding to go shopping for one. Although this plan is limited and has its disadvantages, there are several situations you need to consider before buying short-term plans instead of going to the ACA marketplace. Below here are the 6 situations you have to understand to be able to determine that a short-term plan is right for you. 1. Filling insurance coverage gaps between your employer coverage and your next job. It is a wise decision to secure yourself with temporary health coverage while waiting for you to land on your next job. When you're unemployed and you think that you can get a job right away, it is tempting to wait it out and remain uninsured. Especially if you have a tight income that paying monthly premiums for health plans can break the bank. But as the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. If unexpected medical bills fall out on you and you are uninsured, this might cause you much more than paying monthly premiums. 2. You're in an employer waiting period. In some jobs, there are 90 days waiting periods before a new employee becomes eligible for the employer's health insurance benefit package. Or sometimes it could be as short as a few weeks. 3. You've missed the initial enrollment period. We understand that life gets busy. We often forget something like the open enrollment period for health insurance. It is an excellent choice to enroll yourself in a short-term plan while waiting for the open enrollment period. Having coverage in a short period will give you peace of mind. 4. You're eligible for a special enrollment period but waiting for coverage to begin. Another tempting situation that might leave you uninsured is if you're qualified for a special enrollment period. It is better to stay protected in the meantime while you're waiting for you to enroll. 5. Early retirement and don't yet qualify for Medicare. Don't risk your retirement savings waiting to get qualified for Medicare. Consider buying short-term health insurance as a temporary option, especially for those people who retire early and waiting for Medicare eligibility. 6. You're exempt from Obamacare. Even though health insurance in most states is not required, don't gamble your life and future. As you experience any of these situations, looking for temporary coverage to fill in your needs might help you later in life. It is always worth it to have security and protection, especially these days, and the COVID-19 pandemic is hitting globally. Don't take a risk on your life and future. Give yourself the peace of mind you deserve.